Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students and respected parents. Hope you all will be in your good health with the grace of Almighty Allah. In this video lecture, I am going to explain SVT for the month of April. This is the SVT of English for class 3. Dear students, you have this SVT with yourselves because you got it, you received it in the envelopes with your papers. Take it out, take out your pencils as well. Okay, this is SVT of English for class 3. But before this, it is to inform you that this SVT is only for 1 month, that is for the month of April, and your parents will receive another detailed SVT on 2nd May from the school. That is a long and detailed SVT, right, and that is designed for you because of the extension of holidays. This SVT, as you know, you might have read it, that this SVT is composed of only 2 units, that is Tom and the Leprechaun and St. Bridget and the Fox. Okay, so I'll repeat that your parents will go to school and they'll receive another detailed SVT on 2nd May from the school, right? This SVT is for 1 month and I'm going to explain it. And as you know that this SVT is composed of 2 units. Okay, we will start. This is your summer vacation task and this is of subject English. Okay, your first task is that you will read unit 1, and this is obvious. Reading is very important for you. Not only this unit, but you will read all the units that we are reading in English subject. Okay, the first task is look at the top on the your SVT, that is reading of unit 1, right? And unit name is Tom and the Leprechaun. You remember the story. Hope you remember all the exercises. We are done with that. Tom and the Leprechaun. Okay, dear students, first unit is Tom and the Leprechaun. I'm going to explain it and I'll solve some of the questions to you. For example, I'll be writing the answer to the first question and you will then do the remaining 4 questions. In the same way, I'll do the whole SVT. Okay, first unit is Tom and the Leprechaun, and our first question is choose the correct answer and write under the given questions. Our first question is choose the correct answer and write under the given questions. डियर स्टूडेंट्स, दिस इज़ सो ईजी. इसमें आपको आंसर्स भी दिए हैं, राइट? आपने सिर्फ क्या करना है कि इन आंसर्स और क्वेश्चंस को रीड करना है और फिर क्वेश्चन को देख के इन आंसर्स में से, दीज आर 5 आंसर्स, द आंसर्स आर गिवन टू यू, इन आंसर में से करेक्ट आंसर चूज़ करके क्या करना है, उसको उस क्वेश्चन के नीचे इन एम्प्टी लाइन्स जो है उसमें लिख लेना है with pencils, right? Look at the question again. It is choose the correct answer and write under the given questions. I'll read it for you. First answer is Tom put a yellow ribbon on the tree. कि Tom ने yellow ribbon tree के ऊपर बांधा. Second is granddad told Tom about the leprechaun. कि leprechaun के बारे में Tom को किसने बताया? granddad ने. The third one is the gold was in a pot. जो सोना था वो बर्तन में था, एक pot में था. The fourth one is the leprechaun was mending shoes. Leprechaun जो था वो क्या कर रहा था? He was mending shoes. वो जूतों की मुरम्मत कर रहा था. And the last answer is the leprechaun had put yellow ribbon on all trees. कि leprechaun ने क्या किया? उसने सारे trees पर, सारे दरख्तों पर yellow ribbon बांध दिया. Okay, these are your answer. Now you will look at the question and then you will select correct answer from here and will write under the question or below the question. Okay, first question is who told Tom about the leprechaun? Right, this is so easy for you. We have already did it. Who told Tom about the leprechaun? के leprechaun के बारे में Tom को किसने बताया? So look to these 5 answers and correct and choose the correct one. And our correct answer, I'm going to write this first answer for you. All right. The correct answer is this second one. Granddad told Tom about the leprechaun. के leprechaun के बारे में Tom को granddad ने बताया. You will write it over here. The way I'm writing, be very neat and clean. All right. Okay, granddad, write G-R-A-N-D-A-D. Granddad told, T-O-L-D, told. Write it from here. Tom, T-O-M, Tom, about, A-B-O-U-T, Granddad told Tom about what? Yes, about the the leprechaun. L-E-P. What is the spelling? Look at the spelling above. Leprechaun. Leprechaun. Okay, we are done with our first question. Granddad told Tom about the leprechaun. Now I'll explain the remaining 4 questions to you, and you will write the answers right from these above 4 remaining answers. All right, we are done with the first one. We are done with this one. Okay. Our second question is, what was the leprechaun doing? What was the leprechaun doing? Leprechaun क्या कर रहा था? And you know this, that what was leprechaun doing? Go to the above clues and pick the correct answer from here and write it below this question. Okay, कि leprechaun क्या कर रहा था? Okay, dear students, the third question is, what did leprechaun do to the trees? What did leprechaun do to the trees? कि leprechaun ने दरख्तों के साथ क्या किया? Okay, you remember the story and you know the answer to this question, that what did the leprechaun do to the trees? कि leprechaun ने trees के साथ क्या किया? उसने कुछ बांधा था उसके ऊपर, and what was that thing? So आप ऊपर से correct answer choose करके यहाँ इसके नीचे लिखेंगे. Okay, the fourth question is on the second page, right? What did Tom put on the tree? What did Tom put on the tree? कि टॉम ने ट्री के ऊपर क्या बांधा, राइट? एक क्वेश्चन है लेप्रिकॉन के बारे में कि उन्होंने ट्री के साथ क्या किया, और एक टॉम के बारे में. सो डू नॉट गेट कंफ्यूज इन इट, राइट? कि टॉम ने क्या किया ट्री के साथ और फिर लेप्रिकॉन ने क्या किया. चूज द करेक्ट आंसर, राइट इट अंडर दिस क्वेश्चन. एंड योर लास्ट क्वेश्चन इज, वेयर वॉज द गोल्ड? दिस वन इज सो ईजी कि गोल्ड कहाँ पे था, वो सोना कहाँ पे था जो लेप्रिकॉन ने उसको बताया था टॉम को, राइट? सो दीज आर योर 5 questions. You will write the answers in the empty spaces, in the empty lines. Okay, come to the question number 2, and it is match. Write the words that match the clues. Okay, we are done with this exercise in our rough notebooks. Write the words that match the clues. ये वर्ड्स है बॉक्स में, यहाँ पे हमें क्लूज दिए गए हैं, कुछ पॉइंट्स हैं, इनको पढ़ के हमें पता चलेगा कि इस चीज़ के आगे हमने इन वर्ड्स में से कौन सा करेक्ट वर्ड लिखना है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई विल बी डूइंग द फर्स्ट 2 फॉर यू एंड यू विल डू द रिमेनिंग. ओके, द फर्स्ट वन इज, ओके, first we will read the words in the box: lunch box, brush, playground, chair, copybook, bell, pencil, book, teacher, and school bag. This is one word, right? These are not separate words. School and bag, these are not separate words, it's a single word, school bag. Okay, the first one is you read it. What is that thing which you read? So you know we read what? We read book. You will write this word in front of this. We read book. Select it from here. And the second one is you use it to write. What is that thing which we use to write? And we use pencil to write, as I'm using it. Okay, pencil, pencil, pencil. Okay, I'm done with the first 2, and now look at the third one. You write on it. आप इस you write on it. आप इसके ऊपर लिखते हैं, right? You write on it. You use it to paint. इस चीज़ को यूज़ करके आप पेंट करते हैं. You put your lunch in it. ये वो चीज़ है जिसमें आप अपना लंच रखते हैं. So what is that thing? You put books in it. आप इसमें अपनी किताबें रखते हैं. Okay, it must be a kind of bag. Now you must have got it. You listen to him or her. आप उनको सुनते हैं. Him or her. Okay, you listen to him or her. अब वो कौन है जिनको आप सुनते हैं और आप उससे सीखते हैं. You hear it ringing. ये वो चीज़ है जिसको आप बजते हुए सुनते हैं. It rings, right? And then है 9th, you sit on it. आप इस चीज़ के ऊपर बैठते हैं. And the last one is you go there for break. ये वो जगह है जहाँ आप स्कूल में ब्रेक के लिए जाते हैं, खेलने के लिए जाते हैं. So ये जो सारे क्लूज़ हैं, इनके जो करेक्ट वर्ड्स हैं, सही है, वो सारे यहाँ पे दिए गए हैं. इनसे आपने चूज़ करके इनके सामने यहाँ पे इस तरह से लिख लेना है. ऑल राइट, नाउ टर्न योर पेज एंड कम टू पेज नंबर 3. ओके, ऑन page number 3, question number 3 is say the word. right? And write the sound. This is the activity of recognizing the sounds, and we are done with this. Is the ch sound and the sh sound. There are words given to you in the box. Look at the words. It's short, ship, champ, chain, shell, chest, change, share, shoe, chop, shining, and cheer. You will pronounce each and every word, and then according to the pronunciation of the first letters or the first alphabets, you will write that in the column of, if that word sounds like ch, so you will write it in the ch sound column, and if that word sounds like sh, so you will write it in this column, ch sound and sh sound. Okay, I will do the first one for you. Okay, the first word is short, 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 right? So it sounds like sh. We will write it here in this column, short, short, short. Okay, and I'll pick one of the ch sound, and it's champ, right? Champ, champ, champ. All right, you will do it like this. You will fill all the columns like this. प्रोनाउंस करेंगे एक एक वर्ड को पहले, और उस प्रोनाउंसिएशन को देखते हुए आपने उस वर्ड को इसके अकॉर्डिंग जो कॉलम है उसमें लिखना है, द वे आई हैव डन फॉर यू. Now come to the question number 4, and it is use the following words in sentences. You will make short and simple sentences, right? No need to write long and difficult sentences. And इतना सेंटेंस बनाना है कि वो इस लाइन में आ जाए, आपका कंप्लीट हो जाए. ओके, यूज़ द फॉलोइंग वर्ड्स इन सेंटेंसेस. लुक एट द वर्ड्स. दीज आर 5 वर्ड्स गिवन फॉर यू. द फर्स्ट वर्ड इज़ रिच यानी मालदार, क्लेवर यानी चालाक, रेम्बो ओके धनक, पॉकेट जेब, एंड प्रॉमिस वादा. ओके, रिच. So make a sentence on rich that my father is very rich. It can be like this. Okay, you can make a sentence like this, like my father is very rich, clever, it's so easy, then Rambo, pocket, and promise. I hope you can do it on yourself. All right. Okay, I'm going to write this first sentence for you. Rich, my father, my father, father, father is, is very, very rich, rich, rich. All right, make sentences like this for all the remaining 4 words: clever, rainbow, pocket, and promise. Okay students, come to page number 4, and on page 4 question 5 is write the opposites of the given words. These are words opposites, मतलब अल्फाज दिए गए, हमने उसका उलट जो वर्ड है, जो उसके बिल्कुल डिफरेंट मीनिंग रखता है, वो वर्ड लिखना है. The question is write the opposites of the given words. Look at the words rich, fast, near, happy, and come. Rich मालदार, fast तेज, near नज़दीक, happy खुश, and come आना. Okay, I'll do the first one for you. Rich मालदार, so its opposite will be, you all know that, it's so easy, that's poor. Poor, poor. Okay, it's poor. Rich, poor. What would be the opposite of fast? What would be the opposite of near and happy and come? You will write it in front of these words. Okay, question number 6 is write the feminine of the given masculine. Write the feminine of the given masculine. ये gender से question है, हमें masculine दिए गए हैं. All right, masculine हमें दिए गए हैं और हमने इसके feminine लिखने हैं. For example, king, बादशाह, he bear, grandfather, doctor, and sir. King, he bear, grandfather, doctor, and son, sir. Okay, I'll do the first one for you. King, and its feminine would be queen. Okay, Queen, queen. Okay, king and queen. In the same way, you will write the feminine of he bear, then grandfather, then doctor, and then sir. Okay. Okay, dear students, come to page number 5, and on page number 5 your second unit starts. The second unit is Saint Bridget and the Fox, right? You remember the story. I hope you all remember that. And the first task is, as usual, reading of unit 2. First of all you will read unit 2 and then you will write the remaining questions. Okay, so second unit is Saint Bridget and the Fox. We are done with all the exercises of this unit as well. Okay, our first question is choose the correct answer and write under the given questions. Okay, ये भी पिछले वाली की तरह है कि आपको करेक्ट आंसर्स दिए गए हैं, आपने क्वेश्चन को रीड करके इन आंसर में से करेक्ट वन चूज करके उस क्वेश्चन की नीचे लिखना है. ओके, I'll read it for you. The first answer is Saint Bridget was an Irish saint. Saint Bridget कौन थी? She was an Irish saint. वो आयरलैंड की एक सेंट थी. सेकंड वन इज सेंट ब्रिजिड ब्रॉट अ फॉक्स टू द किंग. सेकंड जो सेंट ब्रिजिड है वो किंग के पास क्या लेके आई? फॉक्स लेके आई. थर्ड वन इज द किंग ऑफ आयरलैंड हैड अ पेट फॉक्स. कि किंग ऑफ आयरलैंड के पास क्या था? एक पेट फॉक्स था, एक पालतू फॉक्स था. फोर्थ वन इज द हंटर किल्ड द फॉक्स. कि हंटर यानी शिकारी जो है उसने फॉक्स को मार दिया. And the king was angry with the hunter. The fifth one is the king was angry with the hunter. कि king शिकारी पे बहुत ज़्यादा गुस्सा था. Now look at the questions. You will read the questions and then you will pick the correct answer from here. Question 1 is what pet did the king of Ireland have? What pet did the king of Ireland have? कि king of Ireland ये आयरलैंड के बादशाह के पास कौन सा पेट था, कौन सा पेट एनिमल था? सो आई विल डू द फर्स्ट वन फॉर यू एंड द करेक्ट आंसर इज द किंग ऑफ आयरलैंड हैड अ पेट फॉक्स. उनके पास एक पेट फॉक्स था. आई विल राइट इट हेयर फॉर यू. द THE द किंग ऑफ आयरलैंड KING किंग ऑफ आयरलैंड IRELAND. The king of Ireland had 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 a pet pet fox. Alright, this is the answer to the first question. Now the second question is who was the king angry with? कि बादशाह किस पे बहुत ज़्यादा गुस्सा था? The answer is given above. Go there and pick the correct one and write it over here. Third question is what did the hunter do? कि hunter ने क्या किया? The hunter did something to the fox and what he did? You know it, so write the answer over here. Now come to page number 6. Okay, on page 6 our question number 4 is what did Saint Bridget bring to the king? कि बादशाह के पास Saint Bridget क्या लेके आई? After the hunter did something to the fox, to his pet fox, उसके बाद किंग जो है उसके पास सेंट ब्रिजिट क्या लेके आई? सो यू नो द आंसर. सेंट ब्रिजिट किंग के पास कुछ लेके आई थी. दैट वाज एन एनिमल. नाउ यू गॉट द आंसर एंड राइट इट ओवर हियर. ओके, क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 इज हु वाज सेंट ब्रिजिट? सेंट ब्रिजिट कौन थी? यू नो द आंसर टू इट. राइट इट ओवर हियर. गो एंड चूज द करेक्ट आंसर फ्रॉम द क्लूज गिवन टू यू. राइट. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 इज व्हाट एम आई? मैं क्या हूँ? ये जो बॉक्स में आपको वर्ड्स दिए हैं, राइट, इनको हमने इन क्लूज के सामने लिखना है. फॉर एग्जांपल फर्स्ट क्लू अगर मैं पढ़ती हूँ यू स्क्वीज़ मी यू ऑल्सो टेस्ट मी. वो ये एक ऐसी चीज़ है जिसको आप स्क्वीज़ भी करते हैं और आप किसको टेस्ट भी करते हैं, राइट. सो ये चीज़ क्या है? तो आपने यहाँ से करेक्ट वन को सेलेक्ट करके इसके सामने लिखना है. You squeeze me, you put pressure on me, you also taste me. आप मुझे टेस्ट भी कर सकते हो. So what is that thing जिसको हम squeeze करते हैं और जब हम इसको अपने मुंह में डालते हैं, right, तो हम इसको टेस्ट भी कर सकते हैं. That thing is toothpaste, right? You know the answer to it. I know we have done this exercise in our rough copies. Okay, look at the spelling over here. स्पेलिंग को आपने खुद से नहीं लिखना, आपको सब कुछ ऑलरेडी दिया हुआ है, आप लोगों ने सिर्फ चूज़ करना है. सो स्पेलिंग यहाँ से देख के लिखेंगे. TOOTH देन PASTE टूथपेस्ट. ऑलराइट. ओके, द सेकंड वन इज़ आई हेल्प टू गेट यू ड्राई. वो कौन सी चीज़ है जिससे हम अपने आप को खुश करते हैं? यू पुट मी ऑन योर हेयर आई स्मेल नाइस. आप मुझे अपने बालों पे लगाते हैं और मेरी खुशबू बहुत अच्छी है. आई स्मेल नाइस. You turn me on to get water. आप मुझे खोलते हैं ताकि आपको पानी मिले. हम इस चीज़ को जब खोलते हैं तो हम पानी इससे लेते हैं, हम इससे पानी लेते हैं, राइट. वो कौन सी चीज़ है. लास्ट वन इज़ आई एम इम्पॉर्टेंट, आई क्लीन योर टीथ. कि मैं बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट हूँ और मैं आपके दांत साफ़ करता हूँ. सो व्हाट इज़ दैट थिंग विच वी यूज़ टू क्लीन आवर टीथ. एंड दिस इज़ सो ईजी. यू choose the correct answer from here and write it in front of these clues. Now turn your page. And dear students, as you can see on page number 7, you can see a handwriting paragraph, a handwriting task for you. You will write it very neat and clean. Okay, you will write it 5 times. Alright, the space is given to you, and look at the line that is given to you for handwriting. This is Tom heard a small tapping noise. टॉम को आप इस तरह नीचे इसके लिखेंगे, heard इस तरह नीचे लिखेंगे, a small tapping noise. 5 times आप लोगों ने ये लाइन लिखनी है, very neat and clean. Alright, बिल्कुल भी आपने ज़्यादा इरेजिंग और स्क्रिबलिंग नहीं करनी. पेंसिल यूज़ करके आपने ये सारा कुछ नीट एंड क्लीन यहाँ पे लिखना है, खुशखत लिखना है, बिकॉज इट्स हैंड राइटिंग. आराम आराम से बिल्कुल. एंड स्पेलिंग मिस्टेक बिल्कुल नहीं होनी चाहिए क्योंकि आपको स्पेलिंग सब कुछ ऑलरेडी गिवन है. आप लोगों ने सिर्फ इसको कॉपी करके यहाँ पे नीचे लिखना है. ओके, कम टू द क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. द क्वेश्चन इज राइट द प्लूरल्स ऑफ. ओके, दिस क्वेश्चन इज रिलेटेड टू सिंगुलर एंड प्लूरल नंबर्स. दिस इज रिलेटेड टू नंबर्स. हमको सिंगुलर दिए हैं, आप लोगों ने क्या करना है, इसके प्लूरल लिखने हैं. ओके, क्या लिखना है, इसके प्लूरल लिखने हैं. द फर्स्ट वन इज मैन, देन पॉट, ट्रिक, बटन एंड टॉयज. नाउ ये टॉयज़ का वर्ड है, राइट, ये सिंगुलर नहीं है. एज यू नो, इफ़ यू हैव रेड इट, सो आपने ये नोटिस किया होगा कि ये मिस्टेक हुई है. ये सिंगुलर नहीं है, ये प्लूरल है. सो इसको आप इसी तरह रहने दें. आप टॉयज़ का यहाँ पे सिंगुलर लिख दें. ऑलराइट, ये प्लूरल आपको गिवन है, सही है. सो आप इसका यहाँ पे प्लूरल सिंगुलर लिख दें. सॉरी, आपको प्लूरल गिवन है और सिंगुलर आप किस तरह लिखेंगे, यू विल रिमूव द एस. ओके, एंड यू विल राइट द सिंगुलर ओवर हेयर. Okay, the first one is man, and the plural to it is, yes, you will remove the, or you will replace the a with e. men. Okay, men, man. It's the plural of man. Okay, the plural of, what would be the plural of pot, what would be the plural of trick and button, and the toys, you have to write the singular to it. Alright, these 3 are easy, and the toy is the easiest of all because you will remove the s and you will done with your singular over here. Okay, dear students, this is your last page of SVT, and the question number 4 on this page is use the following words in sentences. Again, these are word sentences from unit 2, Saint Bridget and the Fox. And the first word is angry, yani gussa, hunter, shikari, gentle, sharif, pleased, khush, and jumped, chalang lagana. Okay, now angry, what could be the sentence which we can make with this word? Okay, angry, you can write this sentence from the unit if you have read it. First you will do reading. All right, so the word angry, look at the word angry. So the king was angry, right? the king, king, the king was, was, was angry, angry, angry. The king was angry. Okay, the second word is hunter. So you can make sentence like the king was hunter, the hunter killed the fox, and gentle, the fox was very gentle, pleased, the king was very pleased. Or you can use any name instead of king, like my father was pleased with me, or my mother was very pleased with me. Sentences like this, you can make so many sentences out of these words. And the last one is jumped. So you can make a sentence like the cat jumped over me, or the dog jumped over me, or I jumped to the water. Sentences like this. Okay, this is on your choice how you make sentences out of these words. Now come to the last question of your SVT and your second unit, and this is on the last page, and this question is form of verb. you have to write the form of verb. Okay, the first form is given to you, you will write second and the third forms to these words, these given verbs. These are 5 words given to you. The first form, okay, we will read it. Find, want, ask, look and go. These are find मालूम करना, want चाहना, ask पूछना, look देखना and go जाना. Okay, I am going to do this for you, right? The second form to find is found. Okay, FOUND, found, and the third form is also found, right? You know it. Okay, second word is want. Okay, so the second form to want is wanted, WANTED. We will add ed to this word, wanted. Okay, the third form is also wanted, right? Same formula we will apply to ask. We will add ed to ask as well, and the first, second and third forms are the same, asked and asked. Okay, ask, asked, asked. Okay, look, the same formula applies here as well, ed. Okay, looked, 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 and the third form is also looked. These are easy. Okay, I guess these are very easy. And the last one is go. Okay, this one is kind of different from the above 3 and above 4. Go, the second form is went. This is different from the first form, and third form is also different. This is gone. Go, went, gone. Okay, so these are your forms of verbs, and this here your SVT ends of English, right? And I'll repeat that this is only for 1 month, and your parents will receive another detailed SVT on 2nd May from the school. They will go to school and they'll receive this SVT, and that SVT will be explained later to you. Now you have to do this SVT, which I have explained. Okay, do it very neat and clean, and we have done all the exercises of these 2 units, so you will have no difficulty in attempting your SVT. Okay students, good luck.